Pump the seat to its highest position before starting fitment. Check the tag on each cover. The driver's side will be marked DR, the passenger side PA. Undo the hook and loop on the seat base cover and place the cover over the seat base. Align the cover correctly. Fold the long straps and feed them through between the seat base and backrest. Then feed the seat base flap through the same gap. Check that the cover is sitting straight and adjust the edges so they are aligned correctly. On the side of the seat base cover, feed the strap down between the seat fabric and the plastic housing. Pull it through from underneath. Then tuck the binding neatly into the plastic housing. Move to the back of the seat. Underneath the seat, unhook the elastic and lift the rear seat material flap. Fold this flap up, pull the long straps to draw the seat cover down. Straighten the cover and check that it is sitting evenly. Run the long straps underneath the seat toward the front. From the front of the seat, pull the long straps over the bar attached to the small straps at the front underneath the seat. Using the strap that was fed through the plastic housing, attach it to the soft side of the strap already secured underneath. Repeat on the other side. Remove the headrest and set it aside. Before fitting the backrest cover, check the tag again to ensure you are installing the correct cover. Slide the backrest cover down over the backrest. At the top of the seat, ensure the eyelets are properly tucked. Tilt the backrest back, pull down on the cover to ensure it is fitted properly. Feed the two clips at the bottom of the backrest cover through between the seat base and backrest. Lift the seat back into the upright position. Move to the back of the seat, roll the rear cover section up with the underlying carpet. Check underneath and locate the clips that have come through. Gently pull them through fully and readjust the cover so it sits straight. Hook each clip onto the metal bars underneath the seat. Once attached, give each clip a gentle tug to ensure it is secure. Reattach the elastic band of the underlying carpet to the bar it was removed from earlier. Pull down the lower rear section of the seat cover and attach it to the back carpet. Fit the headrest cover with the tag facing the front of the headrest. Pull the cover down firmly until fully fitted. Once fitted, secure the hook and loop. Reinstall the headrest into the seat.